Are you trying to find a 3D printer that is affordable? You're fortunate. We'll look at the top affordable 3D printers under $200 that provide excellent value in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D Printer. Redefining what an economical 3D printer implies, the Ender 3 V2 Neo combines affordability and quality in a package that will appeal to both novices and experts in the field. This model offers great value for less than $200 without sacrificing any features or usefulness. This Ender 3 V2 Neo printer just needs 3 steps to assemble, unlike the Ender 3 V2, which comes pre-installed. The difficulty of manually leveling your bed is avoided with the upgraded CR Touch 16-point automated bed leveling system. The intelligent leveling mechanism is simple to operate and has the ability to automatically adjust for variations in the printing height at various hotbed areas. Customers save a great deal of time by finishing the leveling procedure fast, even with lengthy adjustments. The motherboard is 4.22 version, but unlike the Ender 3 mainboard, it is silent. A quiet environment is created by the Ender 3 V2 Neo's silent motherboard, which was designed internally. It features stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low disable operation. Users can perform printing operations at any hour without worrying about upsetting others because of this quieter operation. On number 2, we have Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. Due to its dependability and ease of use, the Creality Ender 3 has become a mainstay in the field of inexpensive 3D printing. At less than $200, it offers an excellent compromise between performance and price. Even after a power loss or interruption, Ender 3 can continue printing. It comes with multiple assembled parts. Assembling 20 nuts correctly only takes 2 hours. An improved extruder significantly lowers the risk of blocking and poor extrusion. Its V-shape and palm wheels allow for smooth, sturdy, and noiseless movement. Hot beds may achieve a temperature of 100 degrees in just 5 minutes. The Ender 3 offers a strong base that permits a wide range of modifications, whether your goal is to incorporate advanced cooling systems, add auto-leveling features, or experiment with alternative nozzles. On number 3, we have InaTina 2. Among the sub-$200 budget 3D printers, the Entina 2S stands out for its excellent combination of practicality and affordability. A 3D printer with a small form factor that is ready to use right out of the box, comes fully assembled, has no hard setup to begin printing, and can be used with an SD card and an app that offers various models to fully satisfy the printing demands of novice users. Start your ideal printing experience right away. An improved Wi-Fi module that supports faster and more stable file transfer for the ideal printing experience has a file transfer speed that is 5 times faster than before. Easy networking design. Forget about tedious network settings and network with only a single click by using the PP Local AP. Because of the compact 3D printer's integrated automatic leveling mechanism, good printing may be achieved without the need for manual adjustments. Features include fast print removal, platform cleaning, and a spring steel build plate that is detachable and flexible to minimize model warpage. On number 4, we have Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo sets itself apart in the crowded field of inexpensive 3D printers under $200 by providing a feature set that simplifies printing for users of all skill levels. Approximately 65% faster when printing the identical model. 250 millimeters per second is the maximum print speed. The ideal print speed of 150 millimeters per second guarantees the ideal balance of performance and precision, enabling you to realize your ideas with unmatched speed and accuracy. With the 60-watt hot end, the recently improved cooling and extrusion systems swiftly melt filaments. Simultaneously, a 7,000-room cooling fan is fitted to guarantee quick cooling and model molding. It can most fully restore the model's form and is lighter, more precisely printed, and has less inertia. So these are some of the best printers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.